Nice
my man.
to meet you.
Aku rasa boleh tengok kemenangan je. Wah, haha. Yeah, sea water, my friend. That's a yacht.
At first, I want to choose different rooms, but
This Fitri. Yeah, it's me je. Aku decide.
decide to choose this room.
Mana? That's right. Aku masuk hotel yang dekat saya belakang kan. Aku tak kira respect belakang kan. Mana? Oh, dia gini. Ya. Okay, this is not heading to the sea. You can just see the sea right there. That's the entrance that we've been there. That's our car. 2-3 apa?
Kau tak buat ni.
Yeah. Let's just close this one. Japanese styling. Hey. Oh, macam ni film dia. Hey. Wah. Haha. Wah, gila dia menang dah. Faithful. Oh, ada 2 pintu. Day. What the hell, ada 2 pintu? Oh, that's a romantic one. See how the water goes. We're having the same problem with the same during my stay on Dorset, and apparently we can't lock our toilet. I don't know why. I don't know if it's designed like that or I don't know, but it seems problem is been haunting us. But it's that time again. It's a gentleman's agreements to not coming in when we're doing our business. It's not truly clean right here, right? See down here, it's not truly clean. I think there's a lot of improvement can be made to be able to took this place to another level, you know. But there's the cleanliness. I don't know if there's just less people staying here, so they haven't been receiving a lot of guests. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think you can. There's a lot of dust here. This is the first experience that I had that we need to clean up our hotel room. It's unthinkable, you know, because it's alright. First of all, it's probably our fault because we need to check in after 2, but we come in around 1:30 or something, and it's been a problem.
Oh, ada orang tengah kemas.
Okay, checking. Yes. Lepas ni. Currently just still cleaning the room, cleaning our room. So yeah, it's understandable. It's still 1. We should have check in around 2:30 or something to give them rooms to clean up. I guess we come up too early. That's why the cleaner feel a little bit rushed to, you know, clean our room. But the thing is, it's so absurd. It has a lot of dust. It's not like dirty because the floor is sticky or something, but it's just dust. It's like someone else. It's like it's been a long time that someone's been living here or been staying in this room, and yeah, we understand that it's probably part of it's our fault. But I think even if we give them quite a time to finish whatever preparation the cleaner needs to do, I strongly believe that it's still going to be the same. You know, there's a lot of dust. And they refuse to come. They said they're busy or something, and I was like, no, I'm not going to buy it. But it's just an experience to us. Latihan. Wah, slipper berapa? Wow. there's a certain lights doesn't works, and the door, the bathroom door doesn't works. It's just like my experience on the previous hotel. I don't know if it's some kind of unspoken rule between the hotels that you are not allowed to lock in the bathroom. I don't know. It's been a long time since someone's has been staying in here, so I think we're just first. I've shown you the calendar that we found is still on 2019. So when this video is recorded, it's 2021. But by the time you watch it, it's probably 2022 already. So it's kind of absurd to have that out of date calendar there. So it just shows you that you are not really maintaining your room very well. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. We need to call a spade, and it is what it is. But it's okay, we've cleaned it out already and everything's going well. Because, yeah, who else is going to do it? At the end of the day, we're going to, like, probably next week or next month or next year, I'm going to look back and laugh at whatever happens. I think it's weird to have this one video solely based on how me and my friend cleaning the room. But yeah, I think it's just a lesson to us, lesson to all of us, because it's just one of my experience. So thank you for watching. Probably see you next time.